The PlayStation Store loading screen issue, characterized by indefinite loading loops on PS4 and PS5 consoles, often arises from synchronization failures between the console's local cache and Sony's remote servers. While Sony addresses this through firmware updates, user reports indicate the problem persists, particularly during peak usage or in regions with unstable internet connectivity. The most effective solutions involve restart and connection-based fixes. It is crucial to understand that these problems are typically related to either local device glitches or network instability. This section will cover these initial fixes and the underlying reasons why they are effective, with approximately 70 to 80% of cases being resolved by these methods. To resolve the PlayStation Store loading issue, begin with a full console restart by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This clears temporary glitches. If the issue persists, consider rebuilding the console's database via safe mode, which flushes corrupted data without affecting saved games. Addressing connection problems involves optimizing network settings. Change the DNS to Google's public DNS, 8.8.8.8, or consider using a VPN to bypass regional restrictions. Ensure a stable internet connection with a minimum download speed of 25 megabps and prioritize a wired Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi to minimize latency, as the store app can time out with latency exceeding 100 milliseconds. This combination of restart and connection-based troubleshooting addresses the most common causes of loading issues and improves the overall PlayStation Store experience.